Bumbo clock, dog. You know, say nobody record all of that?
I like it. I will chat small things.
I do it.
Yeah.
One dry of fuck because the bottle was left open in the fridge star.
Yo, you think we're gonna join this me and a brother?
Who?
The nigga, yeah, man.
Who? Andrew Tate?
Yeah, kiss at it. The man they make mad bomb buckler money, you think a joke? Let's debate on it. You don't think it's inside the real world? What kind of real world is that?
Go on your website and go check out it, man.
What do you mean about them are talk about real world,
Eh?
like a fake world we live in? A fake world, real. Yeah, every time I see him in company Instagram, he say real world, like say a fake we live in a fake.
Me rate him in a sense, no,
Me
but
rate him, and me rate him
sometimes
when he deal with certain
kind of
things.
harsh still, and then
In a
he's been
harsh, me not find him harsh.
eh.
I say you have to deal with people in their life, and he talk how it is with woman.
Yeah.
You understand? And I saw
So go on, deal with the woman, so say if you don't left your blood clot.
left your fuck.
Okay then. That me I try to tell you have to level up. And even a level up that like I mean like with most of them them we no find man them we call himself like high value man and something then they are nerd in high school and college dog.
But Tate, me not tell no lie. The way he talk, you want to know what is this real world?
Brother, if you follow them fuck them out, you spend your own money and you get scammed. Okay then. You're Jamaican, you can't get scammed now. Lock off that doggy.
Me feel so.
Brother.
I swear me feel so because when I think about you know, oh me never see someone go on a live video.
You always up on live and something, man. You have to watch like some other podcasts and something.
Alright, Tate, big up your damn self. Want to be like a you, my bro.
See in their jail right now. Well, not in their jail, but
Come on, man.
yeah, a big old case, a lingo over your head, brother.
But they can't suck him off for no reason.
They can't what?
They can't suck him off. You have to talk how it is, you know, some American people talk, suck off. You want to suck off your dog career. No blood clot, easy. You have to talk how it is. When you want to suck off the man